Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Life of a Dreamer. My name is Darian Wright. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today's video is a super special one, and I'm so excited. As you guys can already tell from the thumbnail and the title, I finally got my skates. It's been a long time coming. I've waited so long. It's been a whole thing, and we'll talk about it later. But if y'all want to see an unboxing, kinda, not really, of my skates, stay tuned. So for those of you that don't know, during this whole coronavirus ponderosa, there has been a worldwide skate shortage. And this is because during this whole Panera Bread, we have all picked up different hobbies and things like that, and one of them being skating. I, like many others, saw the girls on Instagram, the little beach bunnies on their skates, jamming around with their little short shorts, being all cute, and I thought that would be a fun hobby. That would keep me busy in this pan dulce. We don't know how long this is gonna last. Keep me a little bit active. I can do it at home, and then when the world opens back up, I can go to the rinks with my own skates. Well, so did the rest of the world think that, because there have been no skates available in my size for the entire 2020 and even into 2021. I have a pretty average common shoe size, so every time I checked websites, there were just none in stock. And to this day, there's still like none. Unless you have really tiny feet, I'm sure you can find some. People have been getting skates throughout the year, and they've been like back ordered. People would order their skates and have to wait like 5 months to get them. So I just gave up. The whole year of 2020, I gave up the idea of owning my own pair of skates and being a cute little beach bunny. And, well, I don't live near a beach, but you know, you get the idea. So yeah, I finally found some skates. Fast forward to 2021, after all this research, looking online, stalking these girls on Instagram, looking at their cute little videos, I finally found some skates that I thought would be kind of nice. They haven't been stocked, but like a lot of other people, I went online to find out reviews, see what people are saying, and there's not a lot of information on these skates. The reason being, I think they're new. I think they came out in 2020. So not only are there not like any influencers or anybody talking about them, they're kind of new. So not a lot of people have tried them out, and they are not cheap. So people don't want to waste their coins on something that they're not too sure about. So I went online, did a little bit of research, and the few reviews I was able to find about these skates were actually pretty good. And they were comparing these skates to the Moxie Lollies and the Moxie Jack Boots, which are like pretty high quality, good, well-reviewed skates. A lot of people have them. A lot of people want them. They've been back ordered and out of stock forever. And of course, those are the ones that I wanted. But I was tired of waiting. So I decided to take a little risk, because I'm a little risk taker. I got a little bit of coins. I've been working during this pandemonium, so I thought, you know, they look nice, they're obviously high quality, they're not cheap, so that's gotta mean something, right? But I was scared to order the wrong size, because the reviews that I had seen, they were saying that if you have really wide feet, these boots are great for you. They're not super tight like some of the Moxies are, but I have really narrow feet, so I was kind of scared to order the wrong size. And I will tell you guys, these boots do run a bit big. So I did measure my foot, and that's what the website says. It says, you know, measure your foot. And the length of my foot is the size that I actually ended up getting. But instead of ordering them online, because I was scared to have to like send them back if I ordered the wrong size, I actually found a store here in Atlanta. Shout out to Roll ATL. That's an awesome store full of great ladies, and they really helped me out. I was able to go into the store after making an appointment and try on the skate to my size, and I'm so glad I did, because the size that I had in mind would have been way too big. So I was able to go in the store, try them out, pick them up, and I'm gonna show you guys now, because I'm so excited! So these are my skates, how they came in the box. It came with this really dope, like high quality, sturdy case, which I was like super happy to have. I'm like, that's really dope to have like a safe way to protect my skates. And this really isn't an unboxing, because like I said, I tried them on in the store and they were like already ready to go. But yeah, this is how they look, and I was just freaking out. As soon as I put them on in the store, they felt amazing, just like magical on my foot. They were just so soft and so comfortable, and just everything. The skates came in this really pretty white bag. Obviously mine weren't in the bag because I tried them on in the store. It also came with this information manual, which is really cool. It tells you about the parts of the skates and how to take care of it and everything. One thing that did suck is that these didn't come with a skate tool, which I ended up buying anyway. So these are what my skates look like now. They're so pretty. Look at that, they're so elegant and graceful. So yeah, I added this toe cap. This is a DIY. I made this myself. I will have the video linked above and below for you guys because it's super, super simple. Only a few materials, and it took me like an hour to make maybe because I did a test one and that one came out kind of crappy. And so then I made the last two and they came out looking like this. But look how pretty this is, y'all. I love these skates. Okay, so I want to share a little bit of information about these skates for you guys, just in case you guys want to know. It's something you want to look into. These are from the brand Crazy Skates, and these are the Evoke Quad skates. They come in 3 colors, black, purple, and teal. And y'all, all 3 colors are gorgeous. And y'all know I love me some purple. I was so tempted to get the purple ones, but my thought process of getting skates was I wanted something that's gonna last, it's gonna look good, it's gonna go with different outfits. And of course, black is always just like elegant and sleek, and you can keep it looking nice because you can't see all the scratches and stuff that get on them that easily. But all 3 colors are gorgeous. It's on the website, it says it's a designer skate, which it is. It's very fabulous. It's a suede boot. It says it is form-fitted in the ankle area, which I agree. As soon as I put it on, I was like, this is perfect. I felt so much support. It was just comfortable. And I'm always worried about like ankle support. You don't want to like twist your ankle or anything like that in skates. They feel amazing, you guys. It has an adjustable toe stop. It has a lined tongue. I mean, just obviously designer. Just look at the details. Just fabulous. But yeah, it has an adjustable toe stop. You can't see it because my boot is blocking it, but you can like length it. You can make it longer. You can twist it up and make it shorter and all that good stuff. Yeah, it is a suede boot. Very smooth, very silky feeling. Yeah, and it says in the website, it says that it will shape to your foot from the first wear and they don't need any break-in time. If you guys know a little bit about skates, that boot kind of like forms to your foot. It takes a little while to break in. Some people say that when they first start skating, their feet hurt a little bit until their boot kind of like forms to their foot. I didn't have any problems. I skated on these a little bit because it took like a while for me to get all my stuff together. I wanted to protect these boots before I took them outside. And also it was raining in my area, so it took me a little bit to actually get outside and skate, but I was finally able to skate on them and they feel amazing. They're so comfortable. I didn't have any like foot problems afterwards. I didn't have any blisters or anything. I love these skates if you can't tell. So it says that it has a Galaxy plate, which is like their plate, which means that it's lightweight but strong. I mean, I don't know much about plates, but yeah, it's strong. And yeah, the boots are pretty lightweight. They're skates. They're not like big clunky heavy things, but they have a little weight to them. But it's not so much weight that I can't like lift up my foot and like comfortably skate. They're pretty lightweight compared to like the skates that I would use at the skating rink, like the old crappy ones. It says they come with wheel candy wheels. They're really nice, and from all the reviews and everything that I saw and read, these are good indoor or outdoor, and like right out the box you can skate indoor or outdoor. I skated outdoor just like literally on my street, a regular street. I think I would prefer a softer, more gummier outdoor wheel because that was fine, but I want a little bit more protection. Outdoor wheels are a bit more gummier and softer just in case you're running over like little rocks and sticks and stuff. They don't like trip you up. I think those wheels would be perfect like on a tennis court or like a basketball court or like a skate park. But also indoors, like they're perfect. But I need something a little bit gummier for me. But yeah, in the website it says it's good for outdoor and indoor use, so I do agree with that. But yeah, like I said, these skates do run big. I ended up measuring my foot like it says to do on the website, and the size that I got was the size on the chart, but I was kind of scared because I ended up getting like an 8.5, and I do not wear that. So definitely, if you're going to order these online and not try them on like I did, measure your foot and stick with their chart because their chart is accurate. That was one thing I was a little bit worried about, which is why I went into the store and got them instead of ordering them online. But they are available online in all sizes, so that is a bonus because I personally wanted the Moxies like a lot of people, and unless you have really small feet, the Moxies are not in stock, and I don't know when they'll be back in stock. So like I said, it took me a few days to actually get on my skates after I bought them because I wanted to protect my skates. They are a suede boot, and if you're going to be skating outside or skating at a skating rink, you may drop a drink on your skates or you may run through a puddle or something, and you want to protect that suede. And I have a protective video. I will link that above and below for you guys so y'all can check that out on how to protect your suede boots. But also I wanted to buy a few things to go along with my skates because it is a little bit of investment. You need a few tools, you need different wheels, and you want to have like cute accessories like I do. It took me a little while. It took me a few days to get things off of Amazon and find things in the store. One of them being this skate leash. Now, I'm lying. This ain't even a skate leash, y'all. This is a yoga mat, a yoga mat strap. But let me tell you something. When I typed in skate leash on Amazon, they were starting at like 20 to 25 to 30 bucks. And then I looked and I was like, that looks like a yoga mat leash or yoga mat holder strap, whatever. So I typed in yoga mat, same thing there, but they were like $8, like $8.50. So I was like, yeah, they're taxing on the roller skaters. It's literally the same thing. So I found this on Amazon for $8.45. It came really fast in like 2 days with Prime, of course. And they had so many different colors. I wanted this lavender color because my little accessories with my skates are gonna be lavender as soon as they all come in. But yeah, I've seen people kind of do these different ways, but basically it's just this little hole and you can put your skate through it and tighten it, and you can just carry your skates this way. So yeah, I definitely wanted one of those because I was also looking at skate bags to carry my skates in, and of course there was nothing that I really like. So until I find a nice bag that I want to put my skates in, I wanted to have a skate leash to kind of make it easier to carry my skates to where I'm going to be practicing. I also ordered this Y tool and this T tool. They came together in a set, or you can get them separately. I was just like, why not get both, have extras. And they come with this little tool inside of them. If I can get it out. Yeah. So it comes with this little tool, this little Allen wrench, screwdriver combo thing, and they both have them in there. The T just has it in the top. And these are really great. You can like tighten your trucks and do all your bearings and loosen and tighten things that you need to, because I will say, coming out of the box, the trucks on these skates are super loose. It kind of scared me. Like, you'll see when you put them on and kind of move your foot over the wheel, the truck that's holding the two wheels are just going to kind of move. So you definitely want to tighten those before you start skating, because it could be really, really bad. So yeah, you're definitely going to need these tools to kind of change out your wheels, to tighten things, loosen things. You're going to need these. You can't like skimp on these. And I just got this cute little bag from Dollar Tree to hold my little skate tools, and of course it says Dreamer, so I thought that was really cute. And another very, very, probably the most important thing that I got for my skates is my safety gear. I really, like I said, I'm a good skater, but I really, really want to protect myself. I don't want to like fall on my wrist and hurt myself, scratch up my elbows and my knees. Like, once the knees go, like, you're done for. So I'd probably say the first thing you want to buy, other than your skates, is your protective gear. And me personally, I'm not going to be wearing a helmet, y'all. Don't come for me. This is not a skate teaching channel. I'm not guiding children and telling them what to do. This is my personal preference, my personal experience. I will not be wearing a helmet just because I don't want to. And I don't plan on like doing any crazy things. I've skated for years and I'm a grown woman. And, you know, I've never bumped my head. Not saying that that couldn't happen, but I just don't plan on wearing a helmet. So don't come for me in the comments. This is not a skate channel. I'll just happen to put some videos about skates. You know, if you want to wear skates, and if you think your children and everybody else who's skating should wear skates, tell them that this is my channel. I've seen them attack people on YouTube who are skating and not wearing their helmets. Like, people really attack them. Don't come for me. This is not a skate channel. If you want to see people wearing helmets when they skate, then go to those channels. But I did get a safety kit that comes with like the wrist guards, the elbow, and the knee pads. Just a super simple little black set, elbow guards, wrist guards, and the knee guards. they're big enough. They cover all my joints and stuff. I found this at Target. Just walking around Target, actually. I was gonna order them offline, but I didn't want to feel like waiting anymore. I wanted to get skating. This set was like $19.99. So it's just a basic little set, and I know that there are like higher quality guards and stuff like that out there. So I'll invest in those later, but this is just what I got to start off with. And of course, I'll have it linked down below for you guys. So that's everything that I got to start off skating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it motivated you to get your own skates and get out there and start skating. I will definitely have some videos coming once I can find like a good place to practice and a way to record me skating and practicing, because like I said, I'm a good skater, but I want to do all the like cute things. I want to be like skating backwards and jamming to the music and all that good stuff. So once I find a place and a time to record those things, I will be uploading some videos. So let me know down in the comments below some things you guys want to see. I'm learning all this stuff too, because like I said, I'm new to this personalized, you know, skates. I was just the person that would go to a skating rink and rent the skates, but like personalized skates have a lot of like upkeep and maintenance that go along with it, just to make sure that they last and everything. So I'm learning with a lot of people. If y'all want to know some stuff, or if y'all have any information, put it down there below and it will definitely help me out, and I'll share all the things that I'm learning with y'all as I learn them. So thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Like and share this video. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.